Welcome to Buyer's Favorites. Today, we're diving into the top 7 best action cameras of 2025. Choosing the right action camera is more than just about durability. It's about capturing your adventures with clarity, stability, and the right features to enhance your experience. With so many options on the market, it can be tough to find the perfect match. That's why we've done the research for you. We've compiled a list of 7 exceptional action cameras to suit different needs, preferences, and budgets. Stick around until the end to find out which action camera is our top pick and why. And don't forget to check the links in the description below to buy any of these fantastic products. So without further ado, let's dive into the top action cameras of 2025 and discover which one is perfect for your next adventure. Number 7. Coming in at number 7 is the GoPro Hero 10 Black, priced at $239. While it's no longer GoPro's latest flagship, the Hero 10 Black remains an excellent option for those looking for a high-quality action camera at a more affordable price. What sets this camera apart is its ability to record 4K video at 120 FPS, delivering smooth and detailed footage. Its responsive touchscreen makes it a much better choice compared to older models like the Hero 9. The Hero 10 performed well with hyper-smooth stabilization, making it ideal for handheld vlogging and adventure shots. It's also waterproof, adding durability for underwater activities. While newer models like the Hero 11 Black offer more advanced features, the Hero 10 Black is a great value option if you want GoPro quality without breaking the bank. At number 6 is the OM System Tough TG7, priced at $388. If you need a rugged point-and-shoot camera that can handle almost any condition, the TG7 is an excellent choice. This camera is built to survive the elements, offering protection from dust, drops, crushing, freezing, and even submersion underwater. While its 4K 30 FPS video resolution may feel a bit dated compared to other models, it makes up for it with a range of versatile shooting modes, including macro focus and underwater presets. Its controls are tactile and easy to handle, even in tough conditions. But note that the screen isn't touch sensitive. While it's not the best for image quality, it excels in durability, making it a solid pick for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 5. Coming in at number 5 is the Insta360 Go 3S, priced at $360. The Insta360 Go 3S builds on the strengths of its predecessor, offering a sharper 4K resolution and the incredibly versatile free-frame mode. Thanks to its miniature size, this action camera can capture unique angles and creative POV footage that larger cameras can't. Magnetic mounting makes it easy to attach the camera to almost any surface, opening up new possibilities for creative shots. However, the small size does come with trade-offs. Battery life is limited, and low-light performance isn't the best. But pairing it with the Action Pod attachment extends its longevity and adds a handy flip-up touchscreen for easier control. If versatility is what you're after, the Insta360 Go 3S is hard to beat. Number 4. At number 4 is the Insta360 X4, priced at $450. When it comes to 360-degree video, the Insta360 X4 is the top choice. It captures footage at an impressive 8K resolution at 30 FPS, delivering incredible detail. In testing, we found the 360-degree horizon lock and advanced image stabilization to work seamlessly, ensuring smooth footage no matter how dynamic your activity is. While 8K footage is sharp, it's worth noting that it requires significant computing power to process, and low-light performance is only average. That said, the X4 also doubles as a traditional action camera with a 4K single lens mode, making it incredibly versatile. If you're serious about 360-degree content creation, the Insta360 X4 is an excellent investment. Number 3. Taking the third spot is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, priced at $349. This action camera is a feature-packed alternative to the GoPro Hero 13 Black, offering rugged durability and excellent performance. One standout feature is its waterproofing up to 20 meters, making it more robust than most competitors. It also performs well in extreme temperatures, making it a reliable companion for all kinds of adventures. While its 4K resolution is surpassed by some other models, we were impressed by its dynamic range and detailed footage. The Action 5 Pro also pairs seamlessly with the DJI Mic 2, enabling clear wireless audio for on-the-go recording. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and affordable action camera, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a great choice. Number 2. At number 2 is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, priced at $420. This camera stands out with its ability to shoot 8K video at 30 FPS, making it one of the highest resolution action cameras on the market. In testing, we found the Ace Pro 2's low-light performance to be impressive, with excellent stabilization and iLog support for color grading in post-production. However, recording in 8K does come with some trade-offs, such as overheating and a lack of advanced stabilization in this mode. That said, its overall performance as an all-around action camera makes it a strong contender. If you're looking for professional-grade video capabilities in a compact package, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 won't disappoint. Number 1. Finally, at number 1, we have the GoPro Hero 13 Black, priced at $299. While the Hero 13 Black doesn't reinvent the wheel, it offers a series of refinements that make it the best GoPro yet. Key upgrades include a range of new lens mods and ND filters that enhance creative shooting options. Its magnetic mounting and improved battery life add convenience, while burst slow-mo mode allows for stunning 400 FPS slow-motion clips at 720p. With class-leading stabilization, waterproofing, and heat dissipation, the Hero 13 Black is an incredibly complete action camera. If you're upgrading or buying your first action camera, this is our top pick for 2025. That wraps up our list of the top 7 best action cameras of 2025. Each of these cameras brings something unique to the table, whether it's resolution, versatility, affordability, or durability. Be sure to check the links in the description below to buy any of these amazing products. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.